back to another interesting tutorial about Taobao Chinese shopping app. And in this video, I'm going to show you on how to get update product discounted on any store on Taobao Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taobao, or pinduoduo, or iDoFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Taobao Chinese shopping app. And having opened up your Taobao Chinese shopping app, let's say, for instance, I'm interested in this particular store. I want to keep getting updates from them and getting product discounted update from this store right here. So all you want to do is to go ahead and open up the product link. Then having opened up the product link, is take us right here. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on here to enter the store. Then here we go. Next thing we want to do is to make sure we come to the top right here, click on this plus sign right here. After successful added and follow the store, how do we get update and how do we find the store on our profile on Taobao? What you want to do is to click on here to go back, then click on here to go back. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this profile icon to proceed to your account. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. Then you have the store right here. So each time the store is running discounted on a product or they want to launch a new product, you get a lot from this point right here, and you can take the advantage to get a product at a very cheap price or get an access to their early latest product uploaded by the store. It's that simple. So you can go ahead and click on the store name right here and to take you back to their store from your profile, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. You can do this to follow as many as possible store on Taobao in order to get early access to their product price discounted and at the same time get early access to the latest product by different factory on Taobao. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to ship and import product from Taobao, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.